monumental day here. Talking about this for a while. We got our first passenger.
Oh yeah?
Ant. The guinea pig. So I've been talking about it for a while, offering ride-along experiences and opportunities. This is gonna be the first car that we're doing it with. You guys know this car, Hank, built in-house, LS Nasty, except for the chassis, I will say. We did buy it as like a roller, stripped it down to just the chassis, everything front to back, head to toe. Street car, 4-second street car. For the ride-along stuff, probably not gonna try to push it. You know, we're carrying a little bit extra weight, and we're just gonna go out here and make some laps. There's some things that we have to figure out from a racing standpoint, how the car acts with another person in there. So I got some test dummies, you could say. Look at this guy right here. Just look at him. And give us a thumbs up. so we're gonna get him strapped in the car. We got Chandler here also. He's gonna be making some passes in it later. Chandler has some racing experience, so it probably isn't gonna be as terrifying.
Just finally get to ride in a fast car.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, it has to be LS powered to make it go fast. But Ant's been in nothing faster than like a F250. So we're gonna go out here.
He had a CTSV.
Oh, he had a CTSV. For 2 days. You know that LS power. Hell yeah.
Yeah, he knows it so good he blew it up.
Like tune-up wise, just to be completely transparent, like I'm gonna put like a 530 tune-up in there. The track's hot, but the car seems to work pretty well, and we're just looking to see what it does with another person in the car. Not gonna adjust the anti-roll or do anything like that. We're just going to send it down track and see if it needs an adjustment. I don't know, like putting another, how much do you weigh, 200 pounds? 180. All right, 200 pounds on the passenger side. Show them the belly and we'll see if they think it's 180 or not. Is that 180? That's 200, bro, all day long. We're gonna see what it needs. If it needs to have like some anti-roll bar put in it, that's really the only adjustment you're gonna make on this. It's got like non-adjustable lower control. Very streetable, repeatable, reliable setup that we kind of built as an example of something that you guys can do at home if you want to do this. Stock block, Black Sheep Stage 1, T-Cam Performance engine package, some stock truck heads, stock valves, force inductions, turbos, Holley Terminator, runs on E85, 2 Magna Fuels, stock suspension, strange single ways in the back, AFCO double adjustables up front. That's pretty much it. If I were, depending on what we end up doing with this car, I might put 2 race tech seats in there. But for now, it's, you know, got a 6-point cage, stock torque boxes, got some floor structure underneath it, some some bolt-in / weld-in frame connectors and stuff like that. So that's all we got. We're gonna put some GoPros in there. What are your expectations? What do you like? What's going through your head right now?
That we just make it to the other side.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Like make, as in, what do you mean by make? Like don't spin?
No, don't crash.
Don't crash. Are you nervous at all?
No, I mean you ain't never crashed, so.
This is all things. This is all things you want to say before we make a pass, for the record. But I think we're gonna get some. The goal is to offer cool experiences. Not a lot of people have the opportunity to go out there and make a 5-second pass, and it'll also give some perspective to what we do. You know, when we go out there and make a damn 3 or low 4-second pass, you know, this is 2.5 seconds slower. So it just puts some perspective to people. And I'm gonna be looking in the comments. If you're in there hating real bad, I might tell you to come in here and drive this sucker. You never know. But yeah, that's what we got going on today. I'm excited about it. Hopefully bring you guys some really good footage. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, go down and click the subscribe button. And David, who's today's video brought to us by?
Primary Arms. Dang, my man Mr. Primary Arms letting us down. You wear that around if you're feeling tired.
I was wearing this riding the scooter earlier.
Yeah, no, you could barely see. It was hilarious.
Huh?
I said you could barely see. It was so funny. Wind was pushing down on it.
Hey. Yeah, as long as you keep your eyes open, you don't look that stupid.
I won't fucking shut them. I promise you I won't shut my eyes.
All right, we're gonna review the footage. All
I
right.
promise you I won't. I like getting on rides at the state fair.
There's like one rule though.
Hey, he likes riding at the state fair. He's good.
No,
I
I
think
think, dude,
all the
dude,
rides at the state fair.
First, this is just like the ride at the state fair. If there's one rule though, if you ride in this thing and you don't smile, I fight you on the big end.
Okay.
So don't let me knock your ass out on the big end if you don't. Look, he's smiling already. Are you gonna be cheesing the whole time? I'm gonna try to talk to you before we make a pass. All right, I'm kind of loud there, but I'm gonna be yelling. Track's been hot, very hot. Let's see what these guys do here. They got a grudge race.
Yeah.
It's the hardest part to get down on a hot, greasy track, just because first round's in heat of the day. Once you get past first round, the track comes around. But I have faith in old girl here because this thing gets down like everywhere.
Yeah, definitely.
So our goal is like we're gonna try to go 120, 60 foot, and then go like a 530, 540. I think would be. I think it should do it. I don't think a 520 is too aggressive for this. This car has been down a bunch. I'd say on similar track conditions. So.
Yeah, that's what gives me anxiety being tight like that.
Look up. That belly, dude.
Ow, goddamn, Mason.
Hey. How you feeling?
Bruh, you have got to be hot as f.
I am.
Your neck gets strapped in too?
Hey, look forward.
What? It's hot.
How tight are you in that thing?
Fucking too tight. Too much.
No, you gotta have that shit uncomfortable, bro.
It's more than comfortable, huh?
What's that?
All right, bro, that's good.
He don't know what he's in
hurt
for.
My damn chest.
It's hot as hell, dude.
Yeah, it's fucking whooping hot.
God damn, this
Describe to the do a vivid description to the viewers of what it feels like in here.
I think real quick.
I would say inside of the plumber's ass crack.
No, I would say if you were to dig a trench, lay in it, and then have somebody put some dirt on top of it, and you're still laying in it.
That's how in like the Georgia heat.
The Oklahoma heat.
Yeah.
John's in there giving Ant a spill right now, and Ant's just like, man, I'm hot. I'm hot. I'm hot, man. I'm hot.
All right, we're good. Shut your door. Grab from the top, swing it shut. Woo-hoo-hoo! You ready yet?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah.
You're not answering that.
Yeah.
What does he want me to say?
You're good. You're good. You ready? So watch the tree. See the 2 sets of bulbs up top?
Uh-huh.
There's pre-stage. Put it on the chip. Bump in.
Still jerk me back in this. Oh, dude. Oh my god.
What'd you think?
That was good. Oh my goodness. Seatbelt can still be tight.
What? What's
I
wrong?
swear to God, my whole ass moved in the seat still.
Is that fun or what?
Yes.
Was it what you
Yes.
expected?
No. I thought it was gonna be not that much. Not that much. I mean, that was a lot.
Thank you. At 5:30 at 135, I called it, baby. I
That
called
was a
it.
lot.
Hey.
That was fast.
Just for the record, the quarter mile, because that's what everyone gauges everything by. Now we lifted at the 8th mile, so half track, like for the quarter mile. So we went a 9.0 at 105. So if I held it out like a little bit longer, you went an 8-second quarter mile. But like you went 125 in the 60 foot, 534 at 135.
What does that mean? 125 and a 60 foot.
So that's like you time the 60 foot. So like my black car goes like 105, so like 1.05. So it goes 0.2 faster. Oh, you in there, bro? I got you, bro. I got you. Didn't teach you this shit? Oh, dude, who put that on you?
Logan.
Here, let me get out. I'll get you right. I'll get you, my son.
Burning up.
I'm telling you,
Oh, I
you
love
didn't
it.
have any idea what happened until at least
No,
500 foot.
dude, that 60 foot, he ain't got a clue. That's so awesome. Yeah, you ready, bud?
I guess so.
How them neck muscles feeling? Not good and strong today?
Hey, just put
Strong,
your head
man.
against the seat.
Well, yeah, that's the plan. I ain't trying to get whiplash.
I guarantee Ant was in there like this.
Yeah.
He was looking down like, damn, is that a bolt?
I'd say you're more like you're a tower climbers unite.
That's what I was gonna say.
So, like-
it felt like being in here because that's like a harness is way more than.
But you're
this.
used to like the adrenaline rush and
Yeah,
everything like that.
yeah.
But this still ain't nothing like anything you've ever experienced.
No, not the force. Like way more force than a
CTSV. Damn, they fucking
Yes.
put that bitch on you. Is this what it's like to have a son? Sorry,
Yeah.
kiddo. Good job. You got out
Logan.
first round, but I still love you.
Woo!
I'd say that went great. We went straight down. It feel good?
Yes.
Yeah, here comes Logan. Did you smile the entire time?
No. Maybe I don't know. I don't know. Good.
Dude, he was shut down. He was dying. He was dying. Look good, huh?
Bro, hey, a lot of force. Hey, my whole ass still moved in the seat. Still moved.
I bet those belts didn't feel tight then, did they?
No.
Yeah.
No, as soon as he hit it, my whole body set in the seat, and I tried to keep my head back, and it still went back. You're gonna see it in the video. My head still went back.
So would you do it again?
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Chandler before they get back.
All right.
And
It's a little sweaty right now.
how was it?
It was good.
Fast?
Yeah. I mean, honestly, it was a little more than I expected.
A little more than you expected?
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean,
Like,
it's surprising. I don't think people really understand how quick the first 60 feet really is.
obviously, you know, I climb towers, so I'm like adrenaline junkie, I guess you would say, but it's still different. It's different. It's a lot
No
different.
roller coaster goes that.
No,
not that fast.
not that like force. No, even though I was that tight, I still, as soon as he hit it, my whole ass went back in the seat.
Yep, it's crazy.
It was fun though. I definitely do it again.
Perfect. Perfect. I had like a little stumble out there, 400 foot. I didn't get a data log on it, so we're gonna run it back and just see what the hell's going on with it. We'll give Chandler a ride, but I mean, old trusty car just went out there and went down the track. Hot, humid air, greasy track. Car does what it does. Did you feel it pull the wheelie like when we first left, and you felt it kind of set down and bobbled the front left a little bit, which I think is awesome. It is just hot in there though. But what, like, dude, hey, give me some. Thanks for riding, bro. Thanks for riding. I cannot wait to put like a viewer, someone that watches the channel, stick them in this car. How awesome is it going to be?
Awesome. It's gonna be fun.